back, folks. Check it out. It's a 2017. It's a Nissan NV200 Cargo. Automatic transmission, 4-cylinder, ice cold air conditioning, reverse sensing system, sliding doors both sides, got some racks inside. Nice van, fully serviced, safety inspected, road tested. The van drives like a new one. Check it out. Mileage is just over 100. One owner, commercial serviced. Windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect right here, and we can start the down payment on this little lady around $12.95. That's correct. It's a 2017 Nissan NV200 Cargo Automatic. Service contracts are included on their guaranteed credit approval program, and we're ready to rock and roll when you are. Give us a call. Come on and stop in. We have several cargoes available right now for you to view. DasCleveland.com.